Thank you everybody. Andarki namaskaram. Namaste. I like to first thank everybody from all over the country for all your love and support. Thank you each and everybody from all the industries, all the states, and all the Indians across the world. Thank you so much for your love and support. I'm very humbled, and I like to thank all my fans for their immense love and support. Thank you. I'm safe. Nothing to worry. I'm doing well. Thank you very much. And I also like to tell that I'm a law-abiding citizen. I respect the law, and I will cooperate with them, and I'll do the needful. And very importantly, I would like to give my condolences once again to the family. It is very unfortunate that we went to watch a film and there was an accident, that is totally unintentional. We went to watch a movie and, due to an unfortunate accident, there's been a loss of a person. And we're always very sorry for whatever's genuinely happened. And it's purely out of my personal control. And I've been doing that for the last 20 years. Last 20 years I've been going to watch my films, and I've been to that place not just only for my uncle's films. I've been there more than 30 times in my life. Never something like this has ever happened. It is purely accidental, purely unfortunate, and I will be there for the family to support them in whatever way I can. We can never cover the loss of the death of a person, but in whatever possible way I will be there for the family to support them. And once again, I like to thank each and every one of you from all over. बहुत शुक्रिया सबके लिए अंदर के प्रति ఒక్కరికి చూసే ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Your family also emotional as well. What do you have to say to the judicial system? Do you think laws speak for God?
Sir, do you think government is behind this?
Thank you. No, nothing.
Mr. Revanth,
I like to thank everybody. I'd like to thank everybody for their love and support. Thank you.
మీ అరెస్ట్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు? అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు మీ అరెస్ట్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు?
No, when the law is when the law is taking care of itself, then I should not indulge with the case and hamper the case. Then దాని గురించి అసలు ఏం మాట్లాడను. From a legal standpoint, నేను దాని గురించి ఏం మాట్లాడను. Thank you very much. Thank you for all your love and support.
Do you believe justice will prevail? Do you believe justice and law will take its course?
Yes, I believe in this law. I believe the law.
ఇంటి నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయేటప్పుడు కూడా మీ తండ్రి గారికి భరోసా చెప్తూ వెళ్ళారు. అంటే ఈ వయసులోనే మీ తండ్రి గారు ఎంత అల్లాబుద్ధిగా పెంచుకున్నట్టు మీరు
Definitely, it's a very challenging situation for the family. It's a very challenging situation for the family, and Ante, I just thank you for all your love and prayers for everybody from all the fans across and for all the people across. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you for all your love and support. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు. Thank you for each and everyone across all over. Thank you for your love. I'm here today like this because of your love. Thank you.
సపోర్ట్ చేసిన అభిమానులకు కానీ
Of course, I love my fans. Everybody knows that I love my fans.
అంటే నిన్నటి వరకు ఇండస్ట్రీ కూడా
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Reached his house and has said that he respects the law, and due to an unfortunate accident there has been a loss of a person for which he was really sorry, and he's also said that he's going to be supporting the family of the deceased. And Allu Arjun also said that he will respect the law and he won't be interfering. Anyhow, he has full faith on justice system of the country, and he says that everybody should know that it's a challenging situation for the family, and I am going to cooperate in the probe. And he's thanked everybody who supported him. Also, Allu Arjun, after walking out of the jail, he had to spend a night in jail and he was speaking to the media just a while back as he reached his house. My colleague Uma Sudhir also now joining us on the broadcast there. Uma, Allu Arjun reaching his home and making that big statement, also apologizing for the incident finally.
Yes, indeed. So after being released from jail at around 6:30 a.m. today, spending overnight in jail, and he reached his office first, Geeta Arts, and then subsequently went to his home and met with his family members as well. And he's also issued a statement to the media that was waiting there. He said that there's no reason to be concerned about him. He is doing fine. And he said the incident on December 4 had happened unexpectedly. And in the last 20 years, every time a film of his had released, he had gone to the theatre and watched it. And there had never been any incident like this. And this time around, he was very sorry for what had happened on the 4th of December. He has also said that he will be cooperating with the investigating agencies to take forward the probe. He has, of course, already announced 25 lakh rupees that he had initially told the family that he is going to be giving to them to support them through this. And already yesterday, we have seen Bhaskar, who is the husband of Revati, who died in this stampede, and whose son is 9-year-old son is still in hospital. He had also issued a statement, importantly, saying that he does not believe that Allu Arjun is responsible for the stampede because it happened after he had left the premises, and he has in fact even said that he is willing to withdraw his complaint that he had filed, following which all the actions had taken place. Against Allu Arjun, of course, quite serious charges of culpable homicide not amounting to murder and also voluntarily causing hurt. After his arrest yesterday, of course, there has been an outpouring of support for him. Other than the Congress party, we have seen every other party come out and support him and in fact criticize the Congress government. BJP leaders, including the Union Information and Broadcasting Minister, Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, have tweeted on X saying that it's the police and the administration that should have made adequate arrangements. Bandi Sanjay also saying that it is the police which has failed to make adequate arrangements. There is also Raja Singh, who said that a celebrity is being targeted for whatever reasons. I must also point out that the Chief Minister has also responded to all this that has happened, saying that everyone is equal before law, and that's the reason why Salman Khan and Sanjay Dutt were also arrested, and that because there has been quite serious charges that had to be slapped against him following the death of a woman in a stampede that the police and the government believes happened because Allu Arjun came there without permissions and stayed there on for a longer time than was necessary. He stayed there for almost 15 minutes, and in the note that the police has mentioned, they have also mentioned about him emerging out of the rooftop of the car, waving to people, enthusing them further, and they have also mentioned that the security team of Allu Arjun had in fact pushed the crowds to the back in order to be able to move the vehicle forward, and that had also added to a lot of crowding at the back leading to the stampede itself. And they have also said that due permissions were not sought, even though the theatre has said that they have released a letter which we have in our possession, which says that on December 2 itself they had informed the ACP of the area and had in fact got a stamped acknowledgement from the police force, but the police clarifying that more permissions were to be sought and more arrangements were to be made, and no one had come forward for a physical meeting with the police to take this forward so that adequate arrangements could be made, or if they were not able to make the arrangements, they would have denied permission for this.
It's so unfortunate that a woman's life, an innocent woman's life, has been lost, and this blame game is going on between the theatre management and the cops. Somebody will have to take the responsibility in the end. Well, Allu Arjun spent one night in jail, and the Telangana High Court granted him bail after the lower court, of course, had remanded him to 14 days judicial custody. But the Telangana High Court clearly said just because he's a superstar, he's an actor, he can't be treated like this. In order to make a statement in front of everybody, that is what maybe the court was referring to. That is what has happened in this case. But he's been charged with culpable homicide not amounting to murder. So the case goes on. Uma? what happens next? What are we expecting?
Absolutely. The reprieve is only for 4 weeks that the High Court has given now, and the quash petition is still pending before the High Court. It is pending the hearing or a decision on the quash petition that the reprieve has been given. It's a temporary reprieve as of now, a 4-week period during which his legal team will also be working their arguments together. Of course, there are two aspects to it. One, in the public domain, the pressure, should I say, that has been built up by film personalities, prominent film personalities, coming out in support of Allu Arjun and saying that he cannot be held responsible for it. And the second part is the political pressure with all parties, in fact, suggesting that the Congress government has slipped up in trying to arrest him or hold him singularly responsible for the unfortunate incident that happened on the 4th of December, leading to the death of the woman. So both these, while they are playing out, it is the legal process that will be the point of focus for the team of Allu Arjun, because that is where they have to put forth their arguments to show why they do not believe that Allu Arjun should be made culpable for this incident that has happened. And they will be working together with, of course, the team of the theatre managements as well, to be able to put forth their view. There have been views that have been expressed by, for instance, YSRCP leader Lakshmi Parvati, who has drawn attention to similar other incidents that have happened in which maybe a political personality was present. She has specifically referred to the Pushkar, in which when Chandrababu Naidu was chief minister, at that time an incident had happened and 29 people had been killed in that incident. So she says individuals cannot be held responsible for that. The administration should have taken better measures in place.